Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to view profile history on TikTok. TikTok released a new feature where you can see those people who visited your profile within the last 30 days. Go ahead and open TikTok. Tap your profile located on the lower right part of your screen. Once you're on your profile, you'll see an eye icon located on the upper right part of your screen. Tap on that. And now you'll see people who visited your profile within the last 30 days. You'll have an option in here to follow them or message them. If you don't want this feature, you'll have an option to turn it off. Just click the gear icon on the upper right part of your screen, and then it will appear in here the profile view history. You can tap that to disable it. And that's how to view profile history on TikTok. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.